Is it filming?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the 24-hour cold water challenge. I got nominated by Bailey Pollard. And I'm going to choose Blake Hill, Sarah Tingey, and Kyle Rasmussen.
Okay. Here we go.
Ready?
You want a little
Ready?
drizzle
No,
first?
I think
just oh my god! Just pour it! You fucking, oh my,
Swill it.
oh, you got 24 hours to complete it.
Bitches.
Can I have a towel?
Get sprayed by a